So yun guys, buksan natin yung aking delivery guys. Ano to guys, ATM. Pag documents guys, ang nagde-deliver dito yung SMSA, yung pangalan ng company. At Aramix. Pag documents. Ito na guys. Yan, nakasealed. Ayan siya guys. Thank you.